If you've been a fan of Welsh football for more than 2 or 3 years, you'll know that our badge used to have our country's motto on it, well, the country's football motto anyway. And nowadays it's just the dragon on the front, but it's actually still on the back of our shirts. There it is, Gorau Chwarae Cyd. And that translates as Gorau, best, Chwarae, play. Cyd means joint, but actually where we get the word gyda from, which means with. So when you do something jointly with someone, you can see where the word gyda comes from. So Cyd chwarae is to play jointly, to play with others. So essentially, to put it in a more poetic English way, Gorau Chwarae Cyd chwarae. The best way to play is to play together. The best play is joint play. And it's a very beautiful phrase. It actually, before the sort of recent change in our shirts, and the crest especially, it was part of the badge. This is the 1995 home shirt, and I believe this is the only one where it does it. Not many people know this, but if you look, Gorau Chwarae Cyd Chwarae. There's a spelling mistake just on this shirt, 1995 home shirt. If you've got it, check it out. Chwarae. There's an extra A there in the second chwarae. And like I say, I noticed it a few years back, and every time I tell people, they've never seen it. So that's the only one. The word for play is chwarae, not chawarae. Well done, bro.